Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about the application of Indeed job search and we click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see, we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.